왜 나만 살려둔 거야? 왜 나만 살려둔 거야?
456번 아직도 사랑을 믿나?
You needed money?
Thanks so much.
You can stop trying to contact our family. We're moving to the US. If you just keep showing up...
You asshole! Do you think money solves everything?